Hello everyone, it's Hannah on FaithsGoodWorks, and today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely banana bread. So these are the ingredients you'll need: eggs, butter, baking soda, flour, sugar, bananas, and salt. So to start out, you're going to need a large bowl, and what you're going to do is you're going to cream together sugar and butter until it's nice and fluffy. So right about now, I like to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees so that when I'm done making my batter, I don't have to sit around and wait for the oven to heat up. So now what I want to do is get my 6 old bananas and put them in the banana bread, and then get my eggs and also put them in there and blend them really well. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to blend the eggs first. That is why I did the eggs on that side first, and then I mix them all together. So next we need to do 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So what we need to do is sift them all together so that the bread is nice and fluffy and not chunky with balls of the flour mixture. So now once you have finished sifting your dry ingredients, you can now pour it into your banana mixture. And so this, you need to make sure that you gradually pour it in and do not overmix it. So once you have mixed in that portion, you need to stop and not mix it anymore, or it could affect the taste of your banana bread. Alright, now you can spray your pan with cooking spray or non-stick baking spray like I used. And now you can start pouring your batter into your loaf pan and start baking it to its delicious, crusty, golden topness. So really, I love this banana bread because when it comes out, it's just so flavorful, and when you slice into it, it just really is crunchy on the top. Not a lot, but just slightly, so it gives it some texture. And once you put that powdered sugar on it, it's just like a masterpiece. And I love this banana bread so much. It's so good and it's so moist. It's just really a really nice recipe for banana bread. So this is my video on how to make banana bread. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, so that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video.